Hi, my name is Justice Borden, and here's my Fitnessgram project. Within the Victor Valley Union High School District, there are 7 schools: Adelanto High School, Goodwill High School, Victor Valley High School, Hook Junior High, Cobalt Institute of Math and Science Academy, Lakeview Leadership Academy, and University Preparatory School. The fitness test data for schools I didn't include in this presentation can be found on my ePortfolio. The 2 schools I chose to review were University Prep and Cobalt. I chose University Prep because that's my high school, so I felt intrigued to look at the data we have. The total population at this school is slightly under 700 students. For 7th grade males, about 82% were in the HFC, and in 9th grade, 83% were in the HFC. For 7th grade females, about 78% were in the HFC, and in 9th grade, 79% were in the HFC. When looking at the numbers individually, the male scores seem to stay around the same percentage, but for the females, I noticed more of an improvement in areas like trunk extensions, upper body strength, and abdominal strength. I found this interesting because I expected the males to improve more than the females, because usually males start working out more and focusing on looking their best. I also noticed that even though the women's scores seemed to improve a lot, they also had an increase in the needs improvement health risk category from 7th to 9th grade. I chose Cobalt because my little brother goes there now. For Cobalt, females in 7th grade had higher percentages in the HFZ than females in 9th grade, except for in upper body strength and flexibility categories. For females at this school, I noticed more not applicable scores in the percentage that needs improvement health risk column. That's good because, of course, the goal is to not have any percentage in that column. For males, there were again some differences in scores from 7th to 9th grade. 7th grade had on average higher HFZ percentages than those of 9th grade males. This was a pattern we previously saw. Like the females, there weren't as many percentages in the health risk zone, which makes me very happy to see. Both schools had similar numbers for each activity. When looking at the HFZ percentages, however, University Prep seems to have higher percentages in this category. I found this to be surprising because there's a lot of stress on academics at my alma mater. I expected the PE test scores to be lower due to the lack of importance they seem to put on physical education. Cobalt, however, did seem to have this issue. I asked my little brother if their PE classes are challenging, and he told me they don't really do a lot of activities designed to maintain fitness or improve fitness test scores. There's a lot more emphasis on math and sciences instead. Neither school has dumbbells, benches, or machines for students to work on their strength. Although these aren't necessary to successfully do well on the fitness test, they may aid students' strengths better than bodyweight exercises can. After doing this project, I learned how easily accessible this information is. I also learned that those students in 7th grade tend to perform better on fitness tests than 9th grade students. Some theories/factors I found that may affect the scores are school values and access to equipment. I think I can benefit from this information because I can make sure my school has equipment accessible to students to not only help them prepare for fitness tests, but to help them practice a variety of physical activities. I also want to be able to show the importance of every subject, not only math or science, because in the long run, physical education and physical fitness is crucial to living a healthy and successful life. Thank you.